So you've heard about the Self-Love Workshop coming up on June 4th, 2022, hosted by the Renaissance Church of Christ Singles Ministry. You think that you should attend, but you're not sure. That may be an indication that you should attend. Do you find that you doubt yourself often? If it took you a moment to answer that question, that too may be a sign that you need this workshop. You owe it to yourself to make sure that you love it because you deserve the most out of life. If that last statement makes you uncomfortable, you definitely need this workshop. Are you concerned about what others will think if you attend a self-love workshop? If so, you must attend this workshop. If you know that you need help but are afraid to ask for help, you should absolutely come. Register now. The details can be found on the Renaissance website. I look forward to seeing you there. And by the way, if my seeing you gives you the shakes, make sure you come. You will leave a much better person than when you arrived. You can do this. You've got this, and I'll be there to help you. See you in June.